Imagine you're driving from Bamenda to Douala. The road goes uphill at a steady slope. How would you describe that road using mathematics? Let's find out. The equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. Here, m is the gradient, how steep the line is, and c is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. Think of gradient like the steepness of a hill. A big gradient means a steep climb. A small gradient means a gentle slope. Zero gradient means perfectly flat, like a football pitch. The y-intercept is where the line meets the y-axis. That's the value of y when x is 0. If c equals 2, the line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, 2. Example 1. Find the equation of a line with gradient 3 and y-intercept -1. We substitute into y equals mx plus c. So y equals 3x minus 1. Here is our line on the graph. It crosses the y-axis at -1, and for every one step right, it goes 3 steps up. That confirms gradient 3. Example 2. Find the equation through points 2, 5 and 4, 11. First, find the gradient, m equals 11 minus 5 over 4 minus 2, which gives us 3. Now use point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Substituting 0.25. Y minus 5 equals 3 times x minus 2. Simplify to get y equals 3x minus 1. Common mistake. Many students swap the gradient formula and put x values on top. Remember, gradient is rise over run. Y values on top, x values on the bottom. Never swap them. Remember Mr. C? M is the slope of your line, and C is where it crosses the y-axis. For exams, always identify gradient first, then find the intercept. You've got this. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, exercises and past paper solutions. See you in the next video.